Welcome to my channel. I bring 3D car design sketches to life with Twinmotion and Blender, blending mechanical engineering and real-time CGI into photorealistic visuals. Enjoy this video and support the journey. Like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications, and leave your thoughts. Join my world of creativity and engineering as we push toward plus 1K subscribers together.
Got it, if you shine